How is
very
it?
first time onto the train.
Okay.
Sure.
I'll tell you once we reach as we are turning, because we are going to turn and then come back.
All right.
So
The sun is going down, and we are approaching.
You guys have standard gauge anyway, right?
yeah. Hurry up.
Pardon me.
Here.
Hello guys, welcome back to another amazing video in Kampala City. In today's video, we are about to go. In fact, we are late, but we are going to be. I will show you. I will not allow you to know what we are going to do, and you can see all the content creators are waiting for the border. But anyway, we are going to the train station. I don't know whether we are late or it's the time, but the train is on the other side. So let's go. Alright, you can see guys, I'm with the Mbirwe. This one. As you see how crazy Kampala is, look at the jam. Alright guys, just got my ticket. This is my ticket from Kampala to Namamve. And you can see all the YouTubers that are heading to Namamve. Wow. Let's go. Where?
Go down.
No, and it's full.
The other one is full.
Full. Go. Your ticket.
But the other side 7 is now open.
Full. You enter.
Oh, you can see.
So this is all our MGR. You guys have standard gauge anyway, right?
They also have
the
the
MGR.
They also have the MGR. How are you? Are you okay? I see you nodding. What is the problem?
Guys, we are going to Namambe, and then we shall be back to Kampala. Now we are leaving Kampala.
I'm here with Ivan at Haire. Ivan,
Yes?
what do you say about the train here?
This is my first time onto the train.
Okay.
My
How is
very
it?
first time onto the train.
Okay.
Sure.
I'll tell you once we reach as we are turning, because we are going to turn and then come back.
All right.
So that's when I'll tell you the experience. Wow, the speeds are crazy.
Wow.
Of course, if you're recording this, but
It's okay.
We know that room. I don't record for minus permission.
it's okay.
Yeah. We're just recording for last time.
You're cleaning now.
Yeah, to read the other side of Uganda. So we decided to catch trains with my other content creators. Okay. So let me show you the view from the train.
At least. Have you been recording? Not yet. Huh? You have been not recording. Guys, this is the stopover here. We have not yet reached in Namambe. So This is Chileka.
Which one? Which one? We're in Chireka. Are you sure? Wow. What an experience here in a Ugandan train. Ndiri, what is your experience?
It's my first time to enter here. But what I've seen,
It is your first time to be in the train?
but there was a lot of people that
Yeah, I've seen there was a lot of people here.
So most people, by the time they had started using this, people were few. There were few. But now
Oh, by the time, by then, eh?
by then.
But nowadays people are used on it, eh?
If I using this because it's cheap.
Okay.
Compared to the motorcycle, like from town to Namambe, you can reach 10,000 from border.
Oh, from border.
Here
Okay.
is 2,000 only. Not less than $1.
Okay. So right, when you use a train, so which means from the town up to Namambe, that's 2,000.
2,000.
It's less than $1.
Less than $1.
I can see. So this is a stopover.
Yeah.
Okay. Are we ending here?
Yeah,
Ivan.
this is Namambe.
Stopover. Are we ending here? So we have ended here. I think we are going back. I don't know how long are we going to wait.
Going back.
Yeah. You can see people are going out. Ivan, we go out. What are you going? We are getting off.
Not yet.
I don't know which one are we going to use now.
This is our place that we chose. We chose Namambe.
This is our destination. So now we're in Namambe.
So we are going to get out for a few seconds, or a few minutes, and then we can proceed. That is going to take us back.
Which?
We are not running again. We are going to stay around.
There are also
Then there's a
screens.
screen. Oh wow.
Sorry.
Okay.
We have like good aligned seats. Not like the Kenyan one. They have good aligned seats,
Okay.
and you'll not find like people standing or something of the sort. But we have other trains that leave from different locations. Maybe like, let's say, there is the one that moves from Nairobi to Mombasa. That one we have the premium, the first class, and the economy class. It's very nice. Premium, it's like a business class in an aeroplane.
Okay.
Yeah, but there is now the ones that moves from small town, from the city to the small town. But still, I have experienced that, and it was well organized. Not like this one where people are packed
like the one in India.
Hey, like the one in India or Bangladesh or Pakistan. Hey, that one is crazy. People are up to the up on the rooftop. But anyway, it's a good ride, of which it minimizes the congestion of maybe like borders or maybe matatu.
Yeah.
This is another option, to take a ride a few minutes. By the way, it's very fast.
Very
By the way,
fast.
it's very fast. From where? Was it in Kampala? Yeah, from Kampala
Like
up to our
35
destination.
or 45? 45 minutes?
How many minutes?
I think it was.
I think it was very fast, a little bit
yeah,
fast.
it was very fast.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this is just to to have, you can have multiple options on where you you can move around. Yeah. So, but
And,
basically,
it's cheap.
it's cheap.
Because
Yeah.
when you use a border, it can charge you like 10,000.
Uh-huh.
But this one you pay 2,000.
2,000.
so
So if
cheap.
you convert that money depending on where you come from, it's nice.
Are we going back? Not yet. So, what's your name?
My name is Samuel Traveler. Yeah, you can show them.
Ah, this is the name, eh? It is even on YouTube, eh?
Let's wander together.
Guys, subscribe, eh?
Yeah.
From Kenya.
Yeah, from Kenya, traveling the world. Yeah.
That's good.
Thank you so much for having me.
Okay.
I'm just getting to enjoy a day as it passes.
How long are you going to stay in Uganda here?
I'm thinking of staying in Uganda for 1 week,
1 week.
but if time and resources allows, I might extend because there is a lot of things to be seen in Uganda.
Of course.
Yes.
Have you ever been to Jinja?
I'll just pass by when I'm going back to Nairobi. I might pass by Jinja. Yeah, but I have seen Jinja is very beautiful. When I was coming, Jinja is very beautiful.
Okay.
Yes.
That's good. Alright guys, so this is where we are, and that is the train. As you can see, we are at Chireka, Namamve, not Chireka, Namamve. So we're actually planning to go back. As I told you, from the town up to here, it was like 2,000. Then we go back.
So you're supposed to pay another 2,000. You people.
Hold on.
The
You're
pilot,
supposed to pay.
the pilot has
Switch
figured.
off.
You see those people that
All right. Okay. Let's hurry. Wow, such an amazing experience here. So experience. Cool. Oh,
your brothers.
another Kenyan. Wow. All right, guys. So we are going back to. Okay.
Yeah, the African Kenyans enjoying it, and they're also enjoying it.
What an experience!
Wow. Now this time it's not.
What is this?
The other time.
There you can see. Look at this. Sitting. So we're supposed to go this side, eh? Wow. I'm with Ivan.
Yo,
Please
we are
subscribe,
enjoying- This
Ivan.
is my first time onto the train.
How is it?
I like the experience, but we need the train services other towns as well,
Sure.
because there is no traffic jam that is going to hinder your business. We move very well. Like we spent like, I think, not even 20 minutes from Kampala to here. That is Namam.
We are so fast. They were so fast.
Hey, Kenyans. Hey, Kenyans. You see this Kenyan here is doing this to the SGR.
Look at that.
The lost train.
What is that?
So what do you think about our
I think this is a way to
yeah.
at least you have multiple choices when you're traveling from one place to another. Yeah,
She might actually
it's very cheap.
Very affordable. Everyone can afford it. I was telling Sherry that everyone in the person stays inside the number. And they have this, when in the morning you pay 2,000, in the evening you also pay 2,000. Like it's cheap, very cheap. So that means maybe in Kampala or Uganda.
All right, so we're going back. We are paid another 2,000. Huh? All right. Let me tell the people. Okay, guys. So we are now heading back to the town. Eh? So we are paid another 2,000. but the experience here was so amazing. I'm telling you. So if you are maybe you're around the city, of course you can come and have an experience in this train. I don't know what is the name of this train? MG. I think we need to ask. Oh, doing an interview there. So, hello, madam. I want to ask. We are paying. No, this one. I wanted to ask her what is the name. Mami, bagala kubuza mukatone. Bajita baje. Commuter, all right. We are in commuter. Ah. Okay. Okay. I think you have had. Commuter. We are in commuter train. Okay. Not using you know, the good thing is this train is so fast. Accordingly, we have been. It does not even take an hour from the town up to Namambe. Wow.
If you're talking the one that is coming all the way from Mombasa then by Kampala, 1901.
Soko banyonyole.
It was in February, it started in 1890.
Betambula
mabinyo kubanga kino ekyo kigenda kidiba kijja kusala ebigere
kituufu what an experience, guys.
The 2026 AFCON. This year's AFCON goes to
that is the stadium, Mandela National Stadium. Look at that. That is I think this is the main gate.
Kenya, Uganda.
I think is that the main?
Yes, the more that
main gate. Main gate.
Yes, this is the main gate, Eastern Gate. Did you tell them it's going to host AFCON?
Yeah. I need to take the picture when you're on that side and
Welcome back to another video. I'm here in a train and I'm with some of the content creators, you know. So I'm going to be asking them what are their experience in this train. What is so good about this train? You know. So Harriet, Harriet, yes, go on. What am I going to ask you? I wanted to ask you first. Wow, look at the sunset, guys. The sun is going down. And we are approaching the station. So where?
And we have to go upstairs. We have to go upstairs. You know,
What I want to know.
get the hell out of
It doesn't
the train.
turn around here.
Like-
just two heads.
No,
Yeah.
once it goes like this, then
After
after
there's another head.
exactly, you cannot see it going like turning. Just goes like this and like that. Anyway, guys, we are back here where we started our journey, and as you can see, other people are entering. It's going back, and then I think it goes like 2 trips or 1 trip.
I'm not sure.
All right.
As I said to you, stay outside. Comes in the morning this side.
All right.
Wow. Thanks, Ugandan. Do an interview. Wow. So guys, this is the train over here, and we are going back. Wow. So nice. The captain here. Thank you so much.
I wonder if I passed the other while we were the other
It's the
side.
captain.
Okay.
It was a smooth ride. That was good.
Very nice. What's your name, sir?
I'm Henry.
Henry.
Yes.
Okay.
It was nice meeting you, Henry.
I've done this for 30 years.
30 years.
30 years?
Wow.
That's amazing. So are you people planning to extend to the other parts as well?
Yes, we're planning to go up to Nairobi.
Oh,
You're going to Nairobi?
We're planning to go up to Nairobi.
for passengers
For
or
passengers, we can go to Kenya, then from Kenya we continue to Nairobi.
when do you think the
Okay.
Nairobi route will come?
Let's see, maybe the next year, I never know.
Next year.
Let's pray for that.
Thank you so
But
much.
for us
It was nice meeting the captain.